Take a look at this 1992 Mazda Miata. This is far from your typical Mazda Miata MX-5. This car was converted at Monster Motorsports in California into what they call the Mega Monster Miata. And a monster this thing definitely is. Under that custom aluminum louvered hood sits a 5-liter supercharged by a Kenny Bell polished blower, and it is absolutely unbelievable. I'll start it up, we'll pop that hood, you can check it out in a little bit. But yeah, what Monster Motorsports would do to these would do different conversions to it. This is the biggest and baddest one they did with that 5.0 and the supercharged engine underneath there, putting out that 400 horse, 6.5 pounds of boost. And this thing is absolutely incredible. Has a little over 10,000 miles on it. Now, there's a lot more to this than just dropping that engine in there, obviously. They take all the engine mounts, the tranny mounts, reinforce the frame. They basically rebuild that cradle the engine sits into, customize it, and then they're able to put that in there. This is an ultra rare car. They probably made, I suppose 200 to 300 of these. Again, that's all of the Monster Motorsports conversions, and then this is the Mega Monster on top of that. They did some with just a 5.0 swap, not the supercharged anything like that. It also would have a T5 5-speed transmission added to it, paired with that 5.0. So these cars are very, very streetable. But if you want to put them on a track, do some, autocrossing with them, very, very nice for that too. This particular car is sunburst yellow, just like what it came from Mazda. They do some brake upgrades, handling upgrades, suspension upgrades, A-arms, control arms, all of that also. I know that a lot of the brake equipment comes off of the RX-7. You see in the back the logos for the Monster V8 conversion, powered by Ford. Do your research on them and read up, and I'll have a description written up in this car also. So it's tough to remember everything they've done and go through it on just this video, but it'll give you an idea. There are underside pics, engine bay pics. Those can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. So it does have the soft top. There is also, slip over here and look, hard top. That is removable. You can see pictures of that on the car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, you can see how nice the interior also is on this car. Not a lot of miles on it, so it is in such nice shape and has all the horsepower to boot. I'm going to come around here. One last look at it. We're going to fire this up so you can get an idea how this thing sounds, how it runs. This car does not lack for power, that is for sure. Weight to horsepower to weight ratio, incredible on this. There's your mileage, 10,736. You can see your boost gauge here as it warms up a little bit. 5-speed transmission. Let's go take a peek under the hood of this thing. There you have it, Kenny Bell supercharged, 5-liter Ford engine. As you can see, AC, everything hooked up, does things, car's never been fender with the VIN, on that side, there's are all the VIN numbers that they put on each panel of the car. Again, it's a custom aluminum hood that's vented. Helps cool underneath here. Lets the air breathe through. Absolutely unbelievable. I've taken the car out for a few miles, and yeah, it's something. Let's put it that way. So, very streetable car. Also, a lot of horsepower underneath that hood. That would be great for autocrossing, whatever you want to do with it. Give us a call if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. Or like I said, you can check out all the still pictures of it at uniqueclassiccars.com.